Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Building Applications with LangChain, Chatbots and more. Imagine Lego bricks for AI. LangChain lets you easily combine different AI building blocks, like large language models, to create powerful applications, like chatbots, without needing to be an AI expert. We'll learn how these bricks fit together. Think of an LLM as a super smart parrot that can understand and generate human-like text. It's the core intelligence of our application. We'll use one, like OpenAI's GPT models, as a powerful component in our LangChain applications. Chains are how we connect different parts of our AI system. For example, a chain might take user input, feed it to the LLM, and then present the LLM's response to the user. It's like a pipeline guiding information flow. Sometimes our LLM needs background information. An index is like a detailed instruction manual or a searchable database we give it to help it understand and respond better. Think of it as providing the LLM with relevant context. Agents are like little managers that decide which tools, LLMs, databases, search engines, are needed to answer a question. It's like having a project manager that smartly allocates resources. Let's build a basic chatbot that answers questions. We'll see how to use chains to connect the user input, the LLM, and the chatbot's response, making it work as a cohesive system. We'll walk through the code step by step. LangChain isn't just for chatbots. We'll briefly explore other powerful applications, like question answering systems, summarization tools, and even AI-powered assistants. The possibilities are vast. We'll wrap up by pointing you to helpful resources and suggesting next steps in your LangChain journey. Explore the vast possibilities of combining LLMs and other components to create your own unique AI applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.